There is a TikToker by the name of Preemie_16 who posted a video saying that, do you know the female power to search or look for the girl that he's cheating with out of 5,000 women that he is following? And Andiswa The BombRSA reposted that video and also commented, "You just know, man." I'm like, was that shade? Did we catch something? There was a shade, like, because this has happened to her multiple times. Melzi and her have been dating for a long time, and Melzi has had an eye on women throughout their relationship. And I feel like now she's kind of more comfortable talking about it, or I don't know whether it's shading him. I don't know. What do you guys think?